Hello, PreCalc students, and welcome to Week 4 overview document here. So just to kind of go through this, we're going to wrap up Chapter 7 this week and start the review process. So we have a couple of lessons on 7.5, which is solving trigonometric equations. There's the videos, the notes, and the worksheet for each here. Pay attention to the due dates. Again, assignments turned in late. Sometimes if they're quite a bit late, they'll lose a point of the 5 points. But again, keep working on this. This will prepare you for your next math class, whether it's next year here at Central or in college. So we have a couple of lessons there. The solutions for those worksheets will be posted on Saturday. Get a chance to look those, and again, check your answers carefully here as you prepare for the test. Practice test will be posted on Thursday, and that'll be due on Monday midnight or just before Monday midnight. And then we'll have the test coming up after Monday. So again, keep working on your material. Stay in contact with me if you have questions. And again, our goal here is to continue learning without a whole lot of extra distractions here. So again, if you have any questions, reach out to me with an email or a comment on Google Classroom, and we shall go forward from there. So take care. I'm well, staying busy, starting to get into a little bit of a rhythm with the online teaching. Hopefully you are as well. So take care and stay well.